Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to talk about how to create images like this in Midjourney. So it's pretty simple. I just want to talk about how I create this and how I integrate this in my websites. So this was the final version, and so I was creating a website for 3D art with AI, and I thought showing a room is the best way to represent it because people who are learning 3D for the first time always start with the room as like the medium-sized projects, and recreating that here would be a good example. So let's just open Midjourney, and I'll just scroll through. I have a lot of generations here. Okay, yeah. So this is what uh, we use here. So for this 3D icon, it's the prompt is 3D icon of a designer room made of soft clay materials, isometric view, simple graphic design, rendering, white background. So this is what I came up with for this, and it's just a simple square image. So I just copied this here, made it a square image, and I ran it with 6.1, and I didn't usually don't do any stylistic variations. I'll just leave it as that, and it's standard mode. If I wanted more anime thing, I'll choose Niji, but 6.1 is perfectly fine for this. So yeah, I was creating something like this, and I realized I like this kind of room view better, and I like the orange brand aesthetic, so I upscaled that. So I created this one first, and I created this selected this upscale button, subtle and creative. Once I got the high res version, I was like, this is fine, but I wanted something more horizontal so that I could cover the whole bottom section like this. I'll have more empty space here, but this feels like it more covers the entire page. So I created variations on that, and for this one the size is 3 to 2, which is something like this one. Yeah, so this is more landscape view, and I added the same prompt, but I just added the word orange, and everything is now orange, same white background and everything, but just adding the word orange made all the generations orange, and I like this one here based on that. And I again clicked upscale subtle creative. So when you see that right over here, it just upscales it to subtle and creative. And I made some edit. I just clicked on this edit button, which is right over here, editor, and I increased the size on both sides, and I upscaled that. And now I tried to add more stuff, but it didn't work out, so I just came back to this one. I downloaded this, added it here, and that's it. So it's pretty easy. This is the prompt that I used. You can just go and add stuff, and prompt your way to whatever you want basically here, and it just gives good results, I think. So yeah, that's it for this video. Let me know if you want me to add more prompts, or want to see more prompts, how I use my journey as a whole, how I use the new edit feature, which is great. Yeah, that's it for this video. Bye bye.